Hello everyone. Sorry that I have not uploaded the later videos on time. Actually, our channel was suspended by YouTube. So let me show you that. As you can see in this mail, they are saying, Oxitec, we have removed your channel from YouTube. So they are saying that our channel is violating their policies, and they mentioned that spam, scams or commercially deceptive contents are not allowed on YouTube. So I don't know what's wrong with YouTube. I just uploaded like 2, 4 and 5 videos, and none of them are spam or misleading, and I never promoted any deceptive content. So I was really demotivated after this news, and I decided to not make any further videos and upload in YouTube. But I finally came up with here and saw that we can appeal to their decision. So I gone ahead and posted an appeal to this. After 2 days, they came up here and they replied that we have reviewed your channel and have concluded that it is not in violation of our terms. So therefore, we have unsuspended your account. So I have explained everything to them, and they finally replied with this. And I am really happy now that the channel is back, and I will be uploading videos regularly, inshallah. So stay with me, and I hope we can continue this channel and take it further. Thank you so much.